Hi, it's Nick from ASKO here, and in this video we're going to be looking at ASKO Craft Combi Steam ovens. And there are two models that I want to focus on: the Craft OCS 8687 60cm full-sized Combi Steam and the OCS 8487, the 45cm compact Combi Steam. These ovens come in three colours: anthracite or a matte black, stainless steel and black steel. These ovens are equipped with pure steam, and they have the ability to cook as a normal traditional oven, use those Combi Steam settings, or steam with all of the full steam features including sous vide. We give you an assortment of trays inside the oven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trays in the full-sized oven, and 1, 2, 3, 4 trays in the compact. That means that your customers are not having to purchase extra oven trays from ASKO because they come with the lot. In true Scandinavian style, they are minimalist yet functional. They have an edgeless design, allowing them to be either mounted flush with the cupboards or proud from the cupboards without having any unfinished edges. And the control system is easy to use with a nice mix of touch controls and traditional dials. As these are the flagship Craft ovens with that big 6.1-inch colour screen, these ovens boast a little feature called stage cooking. This is where you get to combine the technologies mentioned in the previous videos into one stage cook. You program it, it will do it. For example, if we were to cook roast potatoes, we would parboil them on the stove to make them nice and fluffy, and then we would throw them inside of an oven at 210 degrees for about 45 minutes to get them nice, golden and crunchy. With this oven, you can do that inside the oven without the cleanup, without the mess. You can steam them for 20 minutes and have the oven automatically change the setting to 210 degrees for 40 minutes, and it will bing when it's done. These ovens, along with all ASKO cooking products, come with a 5-year warranty for peace of mind.